Good evening, YouTube. Now, on tonight's YouTube, we will be talking about three major subjects in like a rear reference spectrum. So let's just say you guys are wanting to talk about like a rear referencing like let's just say New York City, but you guys don't know what the frequencies are. You guys would like to try out John F. Kennedy, John F. Kennedy International Airport. Well, this is what you guys get. You guys go on this website called rearreference.com. Then you go on down and you guys see that their public safety is under like law enforcement and fire rescues provided by Port Authority of New York and New Jersey, and take place primarily on this EDAC system. Well, we click on it, system has detected but may longer in use supposed by another system. And then after that we look around and we see like a whole lot of radio frequencies. So then we click on Pennsylvania, and we click on Philadelphia. Then this is what we get. We get their North Fireground, Hospitality, Hospital Alert System, Tone United, EMS Interior Ops, and then this is what their thing looks like for city services, school districts, universities. They say that their police department is encrypted, DMR encrypted, so that means that is fully encrypted, so that means you guys will not be able to listen to that. So you guys see the university is in the process of switching to a Motorola DMR system and equipment throughout their network. At this time, most users are still using conventional FM system. However, the migrate to begin in the near future. So that means when you guys look it up on here, it probably won't show that. And then after that, you guys look around, you guys see FM dispatch and a lot of transportation. And a security frequency. Then after that, you go on down. Delaware River. Click. There's a casino. So this is the Sugar House Casino, and it's NXDN X-Red 9600. There's an NXDN one. So here's what's everything on their system. They got the player services, they got security channel 1, they got facilities environmental services, valet slot technicians, food beverage, security channel 2. And then we click on another busy county, which is Erie County. Now this county, you guys see here on the bottom, which says right here, encrypted to live. So this is what their fire paging network looks like. And then on-site, then emergent care EMS, then Erie Metro Transit. And you guys click on Lance Howie just for, this ain't a good one. So you guys see that Lance Howie is 451.875. So that you could probably pick up on like an analog scheme. So this Prio upside downs. So you guys look around. Let's talk about this one for a little bit. So you guys see shuttles, alarms, maintenance, cashier, slot techs, catering, food service, and housekeeping. Now we click on Erie. Now this is the channel that I was talking about, you guys. Take a look at this. This is an entire page. So they're law enforcement. They were not kidding. So if you guys are a law enforcement fan, do not look up Erie, Pennsylvania. Here we go, Westmoreland. Most agencies are not on an 800 megabytes ICO RRS carrier radio system, which we see at their fire pager. All their fire channels are here. All their EMS. And then their police talk around, their EMA talk around, their 911 talk around. Then we click on this system, then we look around. So then we look at these. It's like a school bus, snow plows, road crews, gas, oil well service. Each bus So if you guys are not Scanner fans yet, I just recommend you guys look up my videos. Because you guys would honestly love them. So, 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 so that's actually I, Indiana State Police right now. So then we click on frequency database, and then we click on Indiana. Then we click on Indianapolis. The reason why I'm waiting to talk to you guys about Indianapolis is because they have these sports venues. You guys see there's a whole entire thing on Indianapolis Motor Speedway. Here's the Indianapolis Motor Speedway one. Then here's their Lucas Oil, so they changed. So if you guys use like a thing that's part of like your radio information video, so you guys see this event talk around. I recommend you guys stay away from that one, but the CSC staff, they do not mind. So we click on this, and then looking around, we got operations, we got safety and security, we got Lucas Oil Stadium, and then events. My video tonight is brought to you by RadioReference.com. RadioReference.com gives you a full variety of radio frequencies and stuff. Please be on the guard for RadioReference.com for your next radio inquiry. And our broadcast is also brought to you by O'Charlie's. So then we click on Grant County. Then we see they got a thing for like Dollar General. This is like Muncie, Indiana. Marion, Indiana Distribution Center. So you guys look over here. Here's like your last updates. And when you look around, 155.805 is spring Springton Department of Public Works in Falls Creek, St. John's Hospital, so here's like their county bus system. Here we click on like a fully DMR system. Here's like their sheriff's operations. This is for Switzerland County. It says home of Belterra Resort and Casino, Blue Sky Casino, and then here's Rising Sun. Then here's Rising Sun. You can just click on Ohio County. Then here's Rising Sun Volunteer Fire Department. So here's the school buses, county highway. So then we click on Vermillion County. So then we have like 154.235. Then we click on our public. So it's also important for a radio scanner. If you guys do not like the noise, there's like these earphones you guys can listen to. And then I'll show you guys that in a future video. So please be on the lookout for that. Alright, thank you YouTube. Have a nice day.